Here's how to dropship on Amazon from Aliexpress. So you can easily dropship from Aliexpress to Amazon by doing the simple step that I'm going to show you in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to understand each step. So first of all, make sure that use the web browser that you're comfortable with and you know it well, cause dropshipping isn't easy and nobody like any other new guy can do it without watching any tutorials. So if you're a new guy was starting, like you thinking about starting dropshipping, so this is the perfect place for you right now, cause I'm gonna show you each step-by-step method on how you can dropshipping and start dropshipping easily. So first of all, go to your web browser. And when you're here, so as y'all can see, I have my Amazon over here. On the other hand, I got Aliexpress. So how do we do dropship on it? So the dropshipping meta is very easy and simple. So first of all, let's find a product that's on Amazon and that's selling a lot. And let's see something which is worth it and people would buy. So as y'all can see, this watch on Amazon. So we got this watch, and this watch price is almost like $200. So people are buying it, and as y'all can see, it's rating and 4.2. So Amazon suggested to people to buy it too, and it got its video and everything. So how do you dropship and make your own and like your own products and sell? So let me explain to y'all something. So from Amazon, like when a customer buys from you, like when you put something just like this on the screen. So let's say you get something from AliExpress, and the customer who's on Amazon buys from you, and you buy the stuff from AliExpress and you get all the credit and money, but including the profit of AliExpress. So the AliExpress will just do something that it will drop ship and like deliver all the product to the customer, and you'll get the profit for it. So I hope I understand this. So let's just straight get into it. So let's find the same watch product. So we got a watch over here, but it's a strap. Wait, let me search for a watch. Let me search the smartwatch. There we go. So we got plenty of options over here, as y'all can see. So if y'all don't know about this currency, if in 5K PKR, like it's almost 6K, it means it's almost like $40. And if you see this watch, like there's no feature differences between these two watches. So let me find an exact replica which looks like this watch. You can find a lot of watches right over here. So as y'all can see, this one, it looks exactly just like this one, and it got a lot of features along with it. So how do you sell this? So selling is very pretty easy and simple. So first, you have to make an account on AliExpress. You have to register. Let me show you how to register account. Just go ahead and sign in. And sign in with anything you want. I'm just gonna sign it with Google. Now wait a second. There we go. Now we'll sign in. Now we have signed in and we got our account. So as y'all can see, I can buy it right over here. But we don't want to buy it from here because we want to sell it on Amazon. So how do we do that? So you have to make sure that you read everything from the description to everything, and make sure that you are selling the right product, and check out the quantity and everything, confirm it and everything, and go back to Amazon. So once you're here, you'll see many options, but first of all, you have to log in obviously, but if you didn't log in, you can make any money or do drop shipping from AliExpress to Amazon. So you have to go to this sell option. Amazon has its own sell option over here. So when you go over there, so as y'all can see, it got its own procedure selling. It says start selling with Amazon. So as y'all can see, it has a 30 almost $40 a month plus selling fees. So if you want to like drop ship on Amazon, you have to like give like $40 a month with selling fees. So yeah, that's a disadvantage if you're like drop shipping on Amazon. But I mean, it doesn't bother you if you're like making money out of it. But as y'all can see over here, over 50K in potential benefits. And yeah, it's basically telling you about its and there is the important part. It says you sell it, we ship it. So that's basically they're trying to say like if you sell products from Amazon or anywhere, but we're not here for that. You can actually save money if you like drop ship from AliExpress. So how do you do that? You first of all like sign up. You sign up into Amazon and make your account. Because I can't create an account because Amazon isn't really available in my country. But when you sign in, it will give an interface of like putting in your product, like put in the description of your product, give it pictures with it. So what you have to do is go back to your watch, So when you're here, copy its title. All right. Just copy its title. When you copy its title, download this picture, like all the pictures that it got. Because you're selling the product basically, and you're giving the profit to the owner, and you're earning like money on your own. So you can use all these pictures and description. Go down, and it has its own description, as you all can see. It's telling the specification and everything. And when you do all this in the end, you copy all the stuff, you put it right over there. In the end, it will ask you for the price. So as I told you and showed y'all earlier in this, that the watches out here in Amazon are crazy expensive, and you could easily sell it for like almost, let's say, if that like watch is for like 8K, like 8,000 Pakistani rupees, like PKR. So that basically means let's say almost a $50 or something. So you can sell this watch for almost $100 and people would buy it because it's Amazon dropshipping, and Amazon would literally suggest it to other people. So in the end, you just need to put up a fair pricing. When you put up a fair pricing and give a first month's fees to Amazon, and after that, you just click apply and wait for the sales. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can dropship on Amazon from AliExpress. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out.